everyone, today we are talking YouTube channels and how you can make yours stand out from the rest. If you don't already know, we are Chris and Christina, and together with Filmstock, we're here to help you make better videos and empower your inner video creator.
So if you already have a YouTube channel and you want to make it better, or if you want to create a new YouTube channel and have your own unique look and theme, we're going to explain how you can do that quick and easy using the social media packs from Filmstock.
So obviously the videos you make on YouTube are probably the most important part of your channel, but one thing that a lot of creators forget is the branding and the actual look of the channel itself. This can really make a huge difference and take the look and feel of your channel to a whole new level.
This can be something like a nice intro screen, your own personalized subscribe and like buttons, transitions, or maybe your own personal outro screen. Luckily, with the help from Filmstock, you can do this quick and easy using the social media packs. So let's jump into Filmora 11 and I'll show you just how you can do it.
So the first thing you will need is some social media packs from Filmstock. And there are many different packs for you to choose from, it just depends on what kind of style you're after. There are packs that help you with titles, or like and subscribe buttons, or even end screens, so I would definitely recommend downloading a few to get started. So let's see how you can use these packs to give your YouTube channel a nice look and feel. Something that almost every content creator uses in their videos is titles. Titles are a really great way to add some visual elements to your videos, and they also give your audience a little more information. So as I said, there are many different title examples that you can choose from, it just depends on your style, but for this example I have used this title from the YouTube Trendy 3D Shapes pack. I thought this pack kind of had like a gaming or tech feel to it, which is why I have paired it with some gaming clips. And the best thing about these titles is that they are already animated, so all you have to do is simply drag it onto your timeline, resize it to your preference and position it wherever you want. Then add your text. It is that easy and it looks pretty cool. Using little lower third titles like this, or even title screens throughout your video, can really help you to be more consistent. As content creators, one thing we want to do often is try and encourage our audience to follow or like or subscribe. Luckily, Filmstock has created some little pop-up elements that you can add to your video to encourage your audience to do this. And it's just as easy as dragging them on top of your own footage, and it just gives the people watching a little reminder to either like or subscribe. These packs also contain different transitions and they're pretty easy to use. All you have to do is drag them in between your two clips on your timeline. This allows you to add some pretty cool transitions between your clips, and it helps you to stay consistent, which is very important on YouTube. Another thing you might want to have on your YouTube channel is a custom outro screen. Having a custom end screen really helps to personalize your YouTube channel. And it encourages anyone watching to hit that subscribe button at the end or even watch another video. So lucky for you, Filmstock has created packs that are specifically for this reason. And they contain many different templates for end screens that you can choose from. So for this example, I have used an element from the Trendy 3D pack. First of all, I placed the main element from the 3D pack onto the timeline. I then placed a picture in the center, which works very nicely for your YouTube profile picture. And then I added some text below just to remind people to subscribe. Then, using a title from the Gradient title pack, I added some text, and this would be used to help promote the videos that would be displayed on a YouTube outro screen. And this is super important as it allows the audience to see what other videos you have and might encourage them to pick one to watch next. And finally, if you have a YouTube channel, you should definitely have an introduction. So let's have a look at how we could create a really easy and simple but also really cool intro for your channel. So here's just an example that I created for a photography/filmmaking channel. I placed some clips on the timeline, then used this arrow transition between each clip to keep things consistent. I then used this title screen from the YouTube pack to display the channel name. I did use a different transition towards the end of this sequence, but I still think it works very well and it keeps the same theme. And that's pretty much it. Look how quick and easy that was, and now we have created a really nice consistent YouTube intro. Having a title sequence like this allows you to introduce your channel to whoever is watching, and it just gives it a bit more of a professional look and feel. So now you can make your YouTube channel stand out by making it personal and customized. You can really use any of the elements from the social media packs to help you, but even better news, there is an entire bundle where you can access many of the social media packs at once. And you can find any of these links in the description below.
So feel free to try out those packs, maybe mix things together, find out what colour, theme and style that you like. Just before we finish up, make sure you hit the like button below and make sure to subscribe as well so you don't miss any future videos and tips.
If you didn't already notice, those were some personalized like and subscribe buttons from Filmstock, and it just shows how easy it is. So we hope you enjoyed this one, keep creating, and we will see you in the next one.